Menteri Sorkar Jylla Sanbor Shulai, ula pinram jur ya ke Jingiakhih jong ke Voice of the People Party ni ke VPP, persya ek jingwan jong Menteri Rangba ke Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, sya kata masa be ringklam. Uba Shulai, ula ong ba ke jingwan jong Himanta Biswa Sarma, kalong tangkum unongwan bekerpang ha kata masa, pat kam don jingade satya bat ke Jingiakhih Jylla. Ulo ong bawat la kiseng bat ki paidbah ki don hong ban pin pau ki jing sngo halor ka kam khapun hinrei kam dei ban pin I ya kata masa kolshor. Uba Shulai ula bin rabru ba ka kam jinge pin bek put kadang don ha ki jinge sulok jong ki komiti bala thong de ki Jylla bat ulo ong ba ki jingkran jong ka VPP kimlong ki ba ka paidbah ka Jylla ki priang.
Yes, we feel so embarrassed with that the pra the party pra they have opposed the visit of Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, as a chief guest to witness the great festival of the Pnar community, the Bedding Club. Yesterday, I was also with him on other deputy chief minister, local MLA. We are all together. But I feel so funny that they allege that Himanta Biswa Sarma should solve the boundary issue and he have the party they have opposed the visit of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Chief Minister of Assam, as a chief guest for this great festival of the Pnar community, which is not connected with the border issue. The Jinglehraiñ, Jowai, they have invited him to visit, to witness the greatest festival of the Pnar Club as a chief guest. So to publish this kind of protest regarding his visit to the chief minister, we feel so shy, we feel funny. So everybody, an individual, NGOs, or the political party, they have got every right to raise any issues with the state government and even with the government of Assam, but they should not protest his visit. His visit in this festival as the chief guest. It is not connected with the border issues. The border issues, there is a committee constituted by the government. If there are any suggestion, any protest in writing, or they can go to the government, to the concerned committee constituted by the state government on the border dispute. So all these things I want to say that we feel so we feel so funny that the political party like a PRA, they have given all this statement which is not accepted by the people of our state.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.